What's up fans, Life Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video of my beautiful mama. This is Mama B to my left, and we're going to react to polys or just Nesians in general. So for today we're going to be reacting to M685, and this track is called Out the Door, featuring Tyree. So these guys are based in Sydney. Don't forget fans, PolyMovement, Poly businesses. Please check out Paka Films' latest gears that we got. He sent these in yesterday, so honestly love the material, love the quality, the look of it. So Paka Films collabed with VERSAL to come up with this awesome design. I mean, what can I say? It just stands out. It feels like a pro club tee for me. I don't know why. It feels very nice. Yeah, embossed. So you can definitely feel and definitely see the design, so it does stand out. So please check out the bro. He does videography, he does promo videos, video clips, he films and edits, and he can also do other things such as weddings and stuff like that. It's all about you know, DMing him, availability and what he can do and all that jazz. But yeah, show him some love please. And also leading to the glasses here, LEYES fam, our LEYES is also based in Brisbane. He does custom made glasses, and we got the 685 range here, and Mama B's wearing the 676 Tonga Tapu range. So yeah, I honestly love the designs. Mama B will have some photos going across of the details. It's honestly just the work that they put into it. It stands out, and it's definitely accustomed to our culture or patterns and stuff like that. Right here. So honestly, it doesn't only stop here in terms of his ranges. He does have a power range. It doesn't have to be also Pacific patterns. He does have normal everyday glasses that you guys can wear. So yeah, definitely a variety in terms of
afterpay available, even lay-by, depending on where you are.
Yeah.
So these three collab together. Allies, VERSAL, who does the 676 Tonga Tapu merch, and also Paka Films. So Paka Films does of course the filming. VERSAL has the merch, which you'll also find on Allies website, and Allies does the glasses. Three talented brothers.
Yeah, and I love that they're all big supporters of the PolyMovement, especially the bro Paka Films.
Especially Paka Films.
Yeah, so please go check him out guys, show him some love, and let's just get to the track, babe. I'm gonna take this off so you can see my reaction.
Every time I see you walking out that door, every time I see you walking out that door, every time I see you walking out that door, I'm always thinking to myself, wasn't me after all? What if she does something that I love, baby? It would always be the same kind of feel that I want. I follow you around trying to get your attention, baby. Wanna love, but I don't wanna mention you.
He went from deep to high.
Yeah, I
That
love
was
the
him. It
harmonies
was a
in
deep voice.
I think so.
Oh, awesome. Like I could barely hear it, and now boom.
After all, what if she does something that I love, baby? It would always be the same kind of feel that I want. I follow you around trying to get your attention, baby. Wanna love, but I don't wanna mention you. Always on my mind like a 24/7. Chilling with the gang, so I never put you second. Seen you on your highs, seen you on your lows. Wanna be your man, so I really gotta show. There's really no time that I'm really trying to waste. My eyes on you, cause I wanna get a taste. Going back to the day when I really did meet you. The only thing coming to my mind was to please you. Then I really thought about what you really been through. When did everything become so simple? These days everybody wanna see us break. They never wanna know how love is made. I'm going to the top and I want you by my side. Come out of that door, cause you know I'm about to ride.
You know, if I wasn't listening to the lyrics, I would have got confused. Because obviously he's hanging out with his boys, but he's talking about, you know, girl. So I would have thought he was talking about hanging out with his boys or something like that. Yeah, interesting.
Team Keep Going. I see all the merch.
Yeah,
so
check out
Team Keep Going.
And check out Four Walls Barber if you guys need a good haircut up in Sydney. Interesting.
Definitely the Sydney look.
Yeah, 100%.
Cause you know I'm about to ride. Every time I see you walking out was thinking to myself, was it me after all? What if she does something that I'd love, baby? It would always be the same kind of feel that I want.
22 banks down, but she I can be a gentleman. City mapping, cruising my ooh, so we keep it relevant. Cops on me, but she always keep it silent. Wouldn't change it for a piece, cause you know she always riding. I step on scene with the crew so spicy. Chilling with the gang, so I gotta keep her icy. Even though I'm out on the streets, on the beats, at the end of the day, I'ma always choose my wife.
So back to the day when I really did meet you. The only thing coming to my mind was to please you. Then I really thought about what you really been through. When did everything become so simple?
Aye, baby wanna cuff me, but it's not likely. If she wanna talk, then baby you gotta write me. Baby wanna cuff me, but it's not likely. If she wanna talk, then baby you gotta write me.
Every time I see you walking out, I go. I'm always thinking to myself, was it me after all? What if she does something that I'd love, baby? It would always be the same kind of feel that I want.
Interesting vibe coming out of Sydney, man. This is totally different from what's been coming out recently. It just doesn't feel like a Sydney vibe for me, which is pretty, I guess, is a pretty good thing. Like, it just shows that, you know, not everyone coming out of Sydney is just drill artist or just trying to be the next, you know, rapper or anything like that. I really like this.
So that guy, the main singer, do you hear it? Is it the three different? He went real from like bass to high to alto, like yeah.
It's nice harmonies, man. I noticed a lot of songs have been doing that
nice.
too. Yeah.
Harmony was very nice.
Interesting. Okay.
Sorry, I wasn't even listening to lyrics. I just realised now that we're filming. You know, because I was busy. I just couldn't get over the fact that he has different voices.
Yeah.
Like, wow.
Sound nice.
Wow. And then Tyreo, nice.
Yeah.
The second guy that
The
came.
second guy.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Almost seems different.
Yeah.
It almost seems like it's not a Sydney vibe, eh?
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it. Like they dress like Sydney. Maybe the guy rapping, I think it was Tyreo, he gave me a bit of Sydney vibes, but yeah, no, I would have never thought they were from Sydney.
It's nice though.
Yeah, I like
nice.
it. Yeah, it was nice that they were talking about, you know, little love poets and all that. It is what it is, must be nice. Yeah, can't relate. Fire vibes. Yeah, I really like the beat. The it sort of sounds like that song that oh love, how it has that when you are. You know how it has that. Do you know how you play a piano and you change the key? Oh, if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. It just sounded really cool. It sounded different from the
not what the way you said it.
Again, fams, subscribe to our fams channel here, follow them on their socials, and also please check out our poly businesses here. Paka Films based in Brisbane, LEYES also based in Brisbane. If you guys want to get you guys some sunny, especially if you're in Brisbane, it's, you know, it's coming up to summer for a lot of places, and it's definitely a good time to get some good shades.
Be sunny every day and not like here.
Yeah, I don't. It's like we put our sunglasses on and then it starts raining. But it is what it is. And also please check out RAPIDFIREMUZIK. All our poly businesses will be down below. Show them some love, get you guys some gear. Let's go! EYEWEAR. Yeah, that much love, stay safe, and see you guys on the next video. Bye! EYEWEAR.